Welcome to the Car Supermarket by Tahi Design Studio tutorial. As you see, we are starting with a blank polo shirt. Today we will be creating a racing jersey, complete with front, back, and sleeve designs, as well as team names and numbering. To start off with, you'll see the tools here. We have upload an image, add a note. Over here is the more important aspects. As you read here, it's starting with designs, clip art, add text. Today we're going to start with adding some clip art. Click on the clip art button. And that will load the clip art. We're going to find sports. Click on that. Opens up the subcategories in sports. And we have car racing. Click on that, and that opens up all of your available car racing clip art. All of this being vector based, so it is very scalable and usable. I'm going to start off with a checkered flag. That puts that into the design area, already sized correctly. I'll move it up here to the correct area. Now you'll notice that we have colors here, and over here you'll see the colors that are used in this design. We will be changing those in a moment. Going to upload an image. We have the copyright warning. We have the acceptable file list. EPS files are the desired files, mainly because they are fully scalable and vectorized. They are also editable inside the program. Upload a logo here, the Car Supermarket logo. Hit continue to process the image. Once it's processed and loaded into the system, it will be added to your clip art for future use at any time. Now it is in our design area. These handles are your adjustments. These are for resizing on the corners. This one is for delete, and this one is for rotate. So for this image, we are going to bring it down to a size that we would like it to be, a little smaller. Place it here. Alright, now we need a car. I'm going to go back to clip art. We already have our racing pulled up. Find car. Drops it in there. Drop it down here a little bit below the edge of the flag. Again, you'll see over here the colors that are used in the image. They're all adjustable. These are the colors that are currently being used in your design. This is a sublimated design, so the coloring isn't as important. So let's edit the car's colors. The main color is red. We want it to be green, and we want to stay in the same green that we're using currently. These are the other color options, but these are the ones that are used in a design. So we're going to color it green. Don't really want the yellow. Maybe make it white. And the car body will also make white. Now the flag, to maintain the continuity in colors, will make that green. There you have two pieces of clip art and an uploaded file. Now, since this is Tahi, Team Tahi, we are going to upload another image. Select the image, Tahi logo, click continue. The system will parse it and bring it into your workspace. Now we have the Tahi logo. Bring this down. I'm going to resize it so that it fits in the correct space. Now another feature that we have on here, over here in this area, you have the positioning, you have the alignment. So we're going to align this to the center. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add text. We need to add text. Click adding text. You swipe what text you want here. We are going to add team. As you see, that happens in real time. I'm going to resize this slightly. Bring it down here. Align it to the center. Okay, now the Tahi I would like to have in the green. I think that kind of washes it out, so I think I'll return it to black. And we'll do the team in green. Coloring is here. Colors used in the design are green. Alright, now, if I want to drop shadow on this, I'm going to select the Tahi logo. If you look up here, here are your editing controls. You duplicate that. That immediately duplicates it. We're going to color that one green. And then we're going to send it to the back. These are your layer controls. You have up one, down one, you have up all the way to the top and all the way to the bottom. We're going to send this all the way to the bottom. And then with our nudge tool, we're going to take it up and over to make a green drop shadow. Now to see your design up close, not the entire shirt, you have a zoom tool here. If you click the plus, it will bring it in. Then you can get a little bit closer of a look. Now we're going to do the same with the team. Going to duplicate it. Going to color it black. And we're going to send it to the back. Once we do that, we're going to nudge it up. The nudging is just an easier, more precise way of being able to manipulate your the elements in your design. I'm going to zoom back out. And there we have Team Tahi front. So now on the back, we're going to carry over the Team Tahi. Now you could select one at the time and redo all the work, or you could click and drag a selection area. Once you do that, we're going to go up here to copy again. Now you're going to click the back. These are the imprint areas available to you. So you're going to click back. That shows the back. I'm going to click paste. It's going to put it in the correct positioning. Bottom of the shirt. I'm going to add names now. Go down here to names and numbers. That's going to bring up this box here. This is where you enter in your roster. You can add more if you need. Today we're just going to do Smith, number 77, and a large jersey. You can mouse over this magnifying glass to see how it'll look. And what that does is it gives you an example of the sizing. You can change it to smaller. You can change the color. And I'm going to change these to green. You can also change the color here for the numbers, the sizing. You can select any font that is available in the system. When you're done, hit save. And you see a real-time example. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this Tahi logo, I'm going to copy it, I'm going to paste it, and then what I'm going to do is show you that we have the ability to rotate it and resize it. And what I'm going to do here is just kind of ghost it in the background. So I'm going to make sure that it's fitting in the available area and looking good. I'm going to color it light gray, and I'm going to send it to the back. And there you have the back of the jersey. Now we're going to put the Tahi logo on the sleeve, so we're going to select it, copy it, go over here to the left sleeve, I'm going to paste it. That brings it in. It's outside of the design area so you can't see it, so you bring it up here, Get a little smaller. Drop it on the left sleeve, sorry. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to grab the Car Supermarket logo, copy that, go here to the right sleeve, paste that, position it correctly, size it correctly, and there you have it. Now, as with all computer programs, the most important thing is to save your design. Up here to Save Design, and if you are not logged in, the system will ask you to create a login, which is just your username, which would be your email address, and a password. But for now, we're just going to do Tahi Race Jersey. The important part about this is that as you see down here, it says you will find this in the future in My Design, My Images, Designs on the left, or you go to My Account, My Designs, and you'll be able to bring these up. Any design, any artwork, anything that you've uploaded into the system historically forever will be in the system and be able to be used by you. And click Save Template. The system will save it. And clicking on the front, again, you get your full view. You have the front, back, left, right, and names and numbers. The back, if you click the back, it's going to ask you, it's going to think you want to add more names, so just click Save if you don't have any more names to add, or you can add names here. Click Save, returns you to the preview of the back. Up here it tells you the colors that you're using on the back. We have a 3-color design. On the front, we have a 5-color design. We could manipulate that if we want, but I think for that part we have plenty on here. Looks good. Up here you have Edit Layers. Show you all of the individual layers, so you can drill down specifically. Let's say if we wanted to do some kind of edit to the Tahi logo. Here is Edit. It brings you right to that specific layer that you can manipulate exactly there. Again, you can see all of the available artwork. If you wanted it on another product, you would click here and select another product. The artwork that you have is your own personal artwork, your designs, or your clip art that you've uploaded. Again, here's undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, duplicate, select all, and clear. Those are all standard desktop editing controls, and they work very well in the system. Well, that's our tutorial for today. We are always available 24/7 by customer service. You can click on the Contact Us. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us by email or chat. We'll be happy to help you out. Thank you.